Now, now that I kinda did everything, I'll be showing off the entire house since it's 1:30 in the morning. This is my new room. I'm not using a TV. That's the place I sleep. They gave me that desk from my nephew's room. This is the old room. The only reason why that's there is because... Let me see if I can open it. Let me shorten this. This glass broke. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it broke. Somehow. I slammed it too hard on accident. Oops, I didn't close it. There you go. So, yeah. The glass on the balcony broke. This is the 4th floor, the highest floor you can go to. I know it's dark, but there's the Buddhist statue. I could look down, but I'd rather not. There's a staircase going up. That's those are pictures of people. This is where our laundry's been going with. This is where our laundry has been handled on the 4th floor. Let's head down to the 2nd floor. Let me pick this up. And turn this off. Here's the 2nd floor. That's my cousin slash those are my cousin's room, and these are my other cousin's room slash nephew's, which is their son's. Bathroom's the same. All the rooms are probably the same, except for this one. And here is the 1st floor. Door with it. Here's the living room with the door outside. Stuff out here. There you go. Here's the kitchen. Another bathroom. And yes, we're using electric stoves. And among other things as well. That's the trash can. There's something else in here as well. There's our past That's our past stove, and here's the newly electric one. So yeah, we sell electric stoves like these. So there's not really need of flames, any fire type ones. I think that date is wrong. Yeah, the date is wrong. Today is, I believe, the 24th. Next up, there's one and two fridges. Forgot to mention. Here's here's one of our 3 shrines, or multiple shrines in the house. There. Since it's gonna be hot down here, I'm gonna turn on the fan. Here's the door. Okay, that'll work. Every house has steel doors like these. I believe they're either stainless steel or actual steel. We kept our flip-flops in there, our helmets and hats here, small trash can, and a ramp for motorcycles to come in. As a matter of fact, there's a motorcycle down there. There's a gate, there's a steel door and a gate on the other side, I forgot to mention. So yeah, almost every Vietnamese house are like this. In this house case, this is this is actually special because apparently one of our family members married to a rich man. Oh yeah. Warning, in every Vietnamese household, you're bound to find these karaoke boxes. Because we like karaoke. And to put it a bit further, here are the microphones for it. Yikes. I'm just trying to pull my games out. Because I'm gonna be playing a game right now. So yeah, that's basically that's my entire Vietnamese household. Well, in my case, anyway. I'll talk more about other things, and I'm gonna give my overall review of my entire trip. Yeah, I'm gonna give my overall review of my trip. And lastly, I think I wanna go somewhere just before we're gonna end, just before our flight comes up, before our flight back home. And I just need to hope that we don't get delayed again.